I think that what is important for me is for people to know that prisons are privatized, that the budget for each prisoner is $50,000, that the budget for each student is $7,000. So United States has the most amount of prisoners than the world. 22 jails have been built and 2 universities have been built. Everything that the prisoner has in jail that needs to be bought. Emiliano has been with 80 inmates with the lights day and night, the air conditioner day and night. They have not seen the sun for 1 day in 8 months that he has been there, and he has not eaten a warm food for the 8 months that he has been there, as well as the rest of the prisoners in there. For the families, they have to wait all night to see their loved ones for half an hour the next day. So all of this I have learned by having my son in there. All the musicians that they are here, they have seen my son growing up for the last 10 years at the Red Pop. They all know who he is. And Emiliano, his vice is to read. He writes, he paints, and he plays the guitar. He is just an unbelievable child. Forever he has been fighting for his life. He was a twin. I have twins. I lost the other child, Emiliano stayed. I believe that he has a great cause to be in this world. For him to be incarcerated is something that I've never imagined in my life. Emiliano, my problem was to get him out of the house now when he was going to come home. So the biggest teaching for me and what I feel that I have been doing in the radio stations and things like that is to make awareness for our youth. I believe that the society takes our kids away from us. Either they sell them to wars or they incarcerate them. 95% of the people that are in prisons are minorities. And for me, this is the biggest teaching. Emiliano is my biggest teacher in many ways, since he was in my womb. My beautiful daughter, those 2 kids are, I'm a single mom, and I believe that I have an amazing children, and I love them more than anything in this earth. And I thank you very much for being here. And mainly the musicians. I really have no words to express my gratitude to them. Emiliano loves them. Emiliano knows them and has been growing up since he was 7 years old with all of them. And I so much appreciate you guys for making this possible.